Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Edita Karangian. I am 41 years old. I am from Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Philippines. I am married. I have one daughter. She is now 17 years old. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and reading books. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 9 years for 3 employers. First employer, I worked for them for 8 years, since October 3, 2013 to October 16, 2021. I serve 4 members of the family, my madam, sir, and 2 children ages 4 years old girl and 2 years old boy. Second employer, I work for 1 month and 2 weeks, since December 16, 2021 to January 24, 2022. I serve 3 members of the family, my madam, and 2 children ages 10 and 15 years old boy. Third employer, I work for them for 11 months, since February 21, 2023 to February 2, 2024. I serve 1 couple, my madam and sir. My duties are cleaning the house, washing car, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing clothes, cooking, marketing, and taking care of children. I want to work in Hong Kong again because I want to earn money to support my daughter's study. I am willing to take good care of elderly person. I am willing to take good care of newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like, "Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong." To my future employer, choose me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. I promise that I will do my best to serve your family and follow all regulations and responsibilities that you give to me. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.